How to translate any text or page with circle to search on Samsung S23 Ultra, Samsung S24 Ultra. First of all, open any page or a text you want to translate language. Here we open website. Now open any page or screen you want to translate on your phone. Here we open this article. Now to translate this text, long the circle to search, long press the home screen or long press the bottom middle of the screen. Now you can see translate icon, tap on it. Now you can see detect language automatically. Here we select Chinese already. To change it, tap the language. Select the language you want to change. Here we select this, and now we can see automatically change your article language or page language. So quite easy to translate chat or any page using circle to search on Samsung S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. That's it. Like it, share it.